Hello everyone, I am Arima Khanam and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. I am again with you to illustrate the fifth chapter of your real English, that is The Guest. It is actually a story of Mullah Nasruddin, who was a legendary character who appeared in many Central Asian folk tales. He was a wise man and people loved to listen to him, and he solved life's problems with a mixture of foolishness, wit and wisdom. वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड, एक दिन ऐसा होता है कि एक रिच मैन ने उन्हें इनवाइट किया अपने घर पे फीस्ट पे. आई वुड बी ऑनर्ड, ही सेड कि आई वुड बी ऑनर्ड इफ यू कम टू आवर पार्टी tomorrow night. Mullah Sahib was a wise man, so he agreed to the invitation. He said, I'll definitely come to your party. The next day, what he did, he put on his most shabbiest clothes, the most comfortable one, and as it was a bit chilly, so he wore a black coat which was actually very dull and frayed, and there were many holes and patches in it. On his feet, Mullah Nasruddin slipped a pair of ragged sandals, and the footwear which he wore was totally ragged, बिल्कुल फटी हुई थी, उन्होंने वो पहनी. When darkness fell, he arrived at the rich man's doorstep. और जब अंधेरा हो गया तो वो rich man के घर जाते हैं और नॉक करते हैं. फिर वहां पर क्या होता है? A servant came and he opened the door. What do you want, old man? The servant asked कि क्या है, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए और तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Your master has invited me to his feast, said the mullah. मुल्ला ने कहा कि तुम्हारे मास्टर ने मुझे बुलाया है, मुझे इनविटेशन मिला है, तुम्हारे मास्टर ने मुझे इनवाइट किया है. The servant peered suspiciously at him. Wait here, he said, I'll be back in a moment. तो वो उससे घूर के देखता है मुल्ला साहिब को और कहता है कि रुक जाओ, यहीं रुको, मैं अभी अंदर से पूछ के आता हूँ कि क्या सच में तुम्हें इनविटेशन मिला है या तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. He went to his master and asked him. The rich man came to the courtyard to take a look. जो जिन्होंने मुल्ला साहिब को इनवाइट किया था, रिच मैन, वो कोर्टयार्ड में आते हैं और देखते हैं. तो he did not recognize, as he was in a very old and shabby and dirty and torn type of clothes, so the rich man did not recognize him. So he said, no, I don't know him. The servant came back and said कि मेरे मास्टर तुम्हें नहीं जानते हैं और तुम जाओ, तुम्हें कोई इनविटेशन नहीं मिला है. He invited me to his feast. He again said कि उन्होंने मुझे इनवाइट किया है. Insisted the mullah. The servant laughed. Nonsense! Invited you, a ragged old beggar. तो सर्वेंट ने उन्हें इंसल्ट की और कहा कि क्या तुम्हें बुलाया है, इतनी बड़ी पार्टी में तुम्हें इनवाइट करेंगे? You old man, you ragged old beggar. My master's friends are noblemen and kings. Be off before I take a stick to you. So what he said, just go from here, just get lost from here, and if you will not go, I will beat you with a stick. So Mullah Nasruddin went home. He changed into his finest silk garments. He put his best clothes. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वो अपने घर वापस चले गए और उन्होंने बिल्कुल फाइनेस्ट बेस्ट क्लोथ, जैसे वो रोज राजा की तरह कपड़े पहनते हैं वैसे ही अच्छे से कपड़े पहने और फिर से गए. Once again the servant opened it. Once again the mullah said, your master has invited me to the feast. Again the servant opened the door as before, and again the mullah sahib said, yes, your master has invited me to the feast. This time what happened? It was not the dialogues which were used by the servant. They were totally changed. This time the servant bowed respectfully and assured him in. What he did, this time he did not insult him. This time he was respectfully taken inside and assured him. He assured him, escorted him. Welcome, welcome, Mullah Sahib. The rich man welcomed him gracefully, and the rich man himself showed the mullah to his special seat at the feast. तो जो सर्वेंट ने उन्हें डांट के भगा दिया था, वही सर्वेंट उनको अंदर लेके आता है. वो क्या अच्छी सी, the best seat which was preserved for him, which was actually reserved for him. तो उन्हें जाके वहां पर कहता है कि आप यहाँ बैठिए, ये आपकी स्पेशल सीट है. At last Mullah Sahib said the guest, we have all been waiting for you. The rich man and everyone said, we all were waiting for you. You got late. The food arrived. Serve Nasruddin first, said the rich man. Obviously, he was the main guest. So when the food arrived, the rich man said, "Ki serve him first. He is our special guest." So what he did, Mullah Sahib smiled. He just gave a bad smile, and then he began to get busy with his food. फिर उन्होंने मतलब अपने खाने के साथ वो बिजी हो गए. But he did not eat. पर उन्होंने खाना नहीं खाया. उन्होंने क्या किया? Hey cried the guest, और गेस्ट चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिए. क्योंकि मुल्ला साहिब क्या कर रहे थे? मुल्ला साहिब ने खाना खाया तो नहीं, but he spooned the soup over his coat, over his best cap. He started, instead of drinking soup, he started pouring it on his cap. He crumbled the bread and sprinkled the crumbs over the shoulder of his handsome high-collared coat. और उन्होंने ब्रेड को एकदम क्रम किया और उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने कोट पे सब लगाना शुरू कर दिया. He took apart the shish kebab and fed it lovingly to his sleeves. उन्होंने शीश कबाब लिया और अपनी स्लीव्स पे लगाना शुरू कर दिया, खिलाना शुरू कर दिया. The mullah replied, when I arrived in rags, you turned me away. Now that I am dressed in finery, you treat me with honor. तो उन्होंने कहा कि जब मैं एक गरीब इंसान बन के आया था, I was dressed like a beggar, you treated me so badly, and that was not good. And when I am dressed in a very fine clothes, you are honoring me. Clearly, it is my clothes you were welcoming, and not me. तो इससे यही लगता है कि तुम लोगों ने मेरे कपड़ों को इनवाइट किया था, तुम लोगों ने मुझे नहीं इनवाइट किया था. तो ऑब्वियसली खाना कौन खाएगा? मैं तो नहीं खाऊंगा, मेरे कपड़े खाएंगे, इसीलिए मैं खाना अपने कपड़ों को खिला रहा हूं. The rich man hung his head in shame. He said, Mullah Sahib, forgive me. I was blind. I saw only your clothes and could not recognize the wearer. He said, he apologized. The rich man who invited Mullah Sahib to his feast, he apologized and said, I'm really sorry. I did not recognize you when you appeared like a beggar. And I just saw your clothes and told you to go away from my place. I will never again judge people by how they look or by the clothes they wear. अब मुझे एक सबक मिल गया है. I have got a lesson. I will never do this mistake again. अब मैं कभी भी किसी को उनके कपड़ों से नहीं जज करूंगा. मैं कभी भी ऐसी गलती दोबारा नहीं करूंगा. And in truth, he never did. और उन्होंने कभी ऐसा कभी नहीं दोहराया. तो हम लोगों को कभी भी किसी के अपीयरेंस को लेके या किसी के कपड़ों को लेके या किसी के हेयर स्टाइल या क्लोथिंग सेंस, किसी चीज को भी लेके जज नहीं करना चाहिए. अंदर इंसान कैसा है हमें वो देखना चाहिए. तो ऐसे आप लोग भी कभी ना करें जैसे रिच मैन ने किया है. सो आई होप यू गॉट ए गुड लेसन फ्रॉम दिस स्टोरी. एंड व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज you will download all the exercises from School Mitra and start doing it after reading the lesson thoroughly and watch my video nicely, and then you will do all the exercises of your PDF. So till then, take care of yourself and like my video and subscribe to our channel, and bye bye.